Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can generate an image using Grok AI. So first, go to grok.com. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now go to the left panel and then click on Imagine. Now you can see template. Now to generate image, go to the bottom and then here you can see a prompt input box. Just here, type your image. After that, on the right, here you can see select image aspect ratio. So select image. Now click on the send button. Now it will take a few moments to generate the image. It's generating. And there you go. We have successfully generated image using Grok AI. Now you can, if you don't like this image, you can also edit this image. Just click on edit image. And on the three dot icon here you can see you can save this image on the Grok or you can delete it. So on the bottom you can see download option and share option. If you want to share with anyone, then you can share it. Just share the link and they can see the dog image. So I'm gonna download it. Just click on download. So maybe there is an internet issue. In your case, you can download it. So that's how you can generate image using Grok AI. Hope that this video help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.